guys, it's me, Caroline, coming back to you from MC Beaters, and I wanted to show you the process. Well, I missed some of the process, but I used a lot of those flares from Bona and I put them in to those bottle cap embellishment, cabochon holders, whatever, and I made some bead dangles and I'm going to be attaching them. I also put some of those wreaths onto these wooden ornaments that I got from Allie, and I put clear bails on everything because I'm going to bead the heck out of everything. And we're going to see where this goes. So here they are. I put bell dangles and my bead dangles that I made, and everything is drying. I want to find something to put in between. These little hooks are just temporary. I just put them on there just for the hanging element, but I'm going to put a little satin ribbon through it. But I want to see if there's something else I could put on top. This is how they came out. I added only some of them. I added, for instance, here, I added one of those little bows. I have all my, these with the flares from Bona. I added a tiny little snowflake on the top. And, oh, not all of them, just some of them. And here's how the wooden ones look with the bead dangle and the bell. Here's how the buttons look with the bead dangle and the bell. These are the wooden buttons. And here is how some of the flares look with the Bona made with the bead dangle and the bell. And where is the other? I'm hanging them on here to dry because a lot of those, I don't know why I use E6000, but a lot of the bails are not dry yet. And you know what? I like how this looks. But I'm not going to keep it up all year like that. But anyway, I made 29 little ornaments, and it was simple to do and fun, and I think they look really great. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.